Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having a blessed weekend. Again, after a major spike and a major continuation higher, now sitting on a pullback as we lead into Fed minutes on Wednesday. Again, as we sit on this possible evening star setup, possibly completing to the downside. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. And if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that you want to be watching, for example, Friday's major runner of the day, our higher risk runner with DWAC here, mentioned at $18 on a spike, continued on all the way to $25 here on the day, almost $26. As you guys can see, a very nice run throughout the day. Many major movers that we mentioned throughout the week. Go to instables.com in the description below, and for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure again as we sit on our possible evening star setup that would possibly continue on lower if we dropped down below our neckline here. That would be that completion on that continuation on lower, and in my opinion, dropping just below our 8-day moving average would have that room and gap fill with room to the downside here, possibly retesting 443 if we do have that anticipation leading into Wednesday. So what we will be looking for is to see if we do possibly continue on back down below our possible neckline here. If that does happen, again, we have possible confirmation dropping back down below our 8-day with room to the downside here. That is our bearish momentum play. If we happen to continue on back higher, we will have an engulfing candle and a possible overextension, and in my opinion, with resistance to the upside here that we would possibly have, and that possible rejection. And in my opinion, when we do have this rejection, if we have this anticipation leading into Wednesday, in my opinion, looking for this bounce here at about 446 will be key here for bulls. Again, this will be exactly what we're looking for. Jumping right off of our downtrend is exactly what will happen, guys, if we do continue on lower with this evening star setup. Now, looking at our weekly candle structure as we close out the week, again, as we have been continuing to respect our 8-weekly moving average, continuing to bounce off of our 8-day moving average, now sitting with a wick to the upside, again, testing prior resistance that we had from a major rejection and continuation on lower here. Will we possibly get this cool down here is the question. And in my opinion, with a inverted hammer here, we will be cautious, making sure that we do not possibly, again, open lower here with our weekly candle structure, possible evening star on the daily chart that would have room to the downside from our prior week's gap up. So again, that is what we're looking for. Will we possibly gap down with our evening star daily setup to possibly retest our 8-weekly moving average for that possible bounce? Again, that would be that bounce on possible support that we've had here from higher lows. Now, looking at our monthly chart again, I mentioned for the last couple of days that we sat on a solid green bar here and that we can assume a possible wick to the upside. It's exactly what happened as we had our pullback for the last couple of days as we were leading into Friday, now leading into next week as we possibly get this rejection. We are definitely cautious, making sure we do not continue on with this rejection, because if we do, then that could possibly be that inside bar open and possibly cool down here, and then we would be looking to see if we can hold support. And typically you do not hold support after getting a pullback inside bar open and close below your neckline from a major spike higher. So again, we could possibly even cool down lower and possibly retest our 8-monthly moving average for that continuation on higher. That's exactly what we're looking for here. So again, jumping back to our daily chart again, as we keep our higher lows here on watch for that possible bounce, we are definitely cautious to the upside as we sit in a possible evening star setup. However, if we get that possible engulfing candle, we do open higher above our close that we had here from Friday, and we possibly have a very dovish Fed hike that comes in, a possible decrease in Fed hikes, a possible pause. That would be that rally that we would get. So again, that's what we're watching out for here, what exactly Wednesday's data will come out as. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, again, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, major volatile movers that you want to be watching, for example, our other major runner of the day on Friday here with GFAI, mentioning out the gate here at about $7.30, looking for a spike, continue to respect our 8-5-minute moving average, continued on all the way to $9.90 on the day, again from $7.20 all the way to $9.90. This is the other major runner that we had on Friday, one of many major runners that we've mentioned throughout the week. Again, go to instables.com in the description below And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to every one of you guys. We're going to continue to go at it. Stay patient. Take what the market gives us. I will be going over the market tomorrow as always. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video.